I said हमने क्या बोला, Radha Ratan Singh and all. So Gujarat, and which reason? I said that Chittor, the major reason which he has captured through him. Yes or not? And after not getting Padmini, he has, I said that his one son name was Khijr Khan. What is the name of the son? And on the name of this Khijr Khan, this Chittorgarh का नाम रखा गया था खिजराबाद. खिजराबाद. What is the name of this? Then Chittorgarh, once it was named as what? Khizrabad. Will you remember? Yes, which city was considered as Khizrabad in the one time in the medieval period? Chittorgarh, Khizrabad. On the name of his son, I said that which one? Khizr Khan. Understood it? Lekin uske baad again then Rana Hamir Singh came and suddenly he has been able to take back Chittorgarh. Understood? So, हम ही हम हैं. राणा लोग क्या बोलेंगे, हम ही हम हैं. राणा हमीर सिंह आके इन्होंने he has taken back. So this is the, I said that Alauddin Khilji did something, but by the time he was in, I said that he was in great love with what I said that Malik Kafur. और मलिक कफूर का पावर बढ़ता चला गया. And he sent Malik Kafur to the south along with army. उसने आर्मी को किधर भेजा? Just tell me. So already lots of money he has been able to get from the Gujarat, and what I said that Chittor, and then enough money to sustain the army and finances. And he sent, I said that, if you remember, I said, कहाँ भेजा? Yadavas of Devgiri, Hoysala of Dwar Samudra, yes or not? And thereafter in the Nizam region that present Telangana, it is Kakatiyas of Warangal. And then below, if you'll say, the Pandyas of Madurai. So all that you are able to see, who has won? Yes, tell me, Malik Kafur. Who has won this? Malik Kafur. The Malik Kafur moved to the south. Malik Kafur south, and then defeated which one? Yadavas of Devgiri. Yes or not? Thereafter I said that below, Hoysala of Dwar Samudra. And on the eastern side, Kakatiyas of Warangal and Pandyas of Madurai, and even reached Rameshwaram. Where it is? And he made mosque over there also. Malik Kafur. Do you understand what is the meaning of Malik Kafur? Under the, I said Malik Kafur. Ab soch sakte ho ki Malik Kafur become more powerful. Is it okay? So the next story is about, I said that, yes, tell me, Malik तो ये गुजरात एंड चित्तौड़, only his importance is in which one? I said that Gujarat and Chittor. And another I said that Malik Kafur, and he was, I said that what? Eunuch. And किसको किसको defeat किया? Just tell me. Yadavas of Devgiri, and below, yes, Hoysalas of Dwar, and thereafter he defeated also on the eastern side who? Kakatiyas of and below it is, I said that, Pandyas of, and even he is able to reach what I said that, it is said that Rameshwaram mein jaake he has made what? Mosque. Understood? This is the one great achievement that he has done. And I said that एक बार बोला जाता है कि who is the important portion? I said that Ashoka. And then who has covered till the south? That is Ashoka. Another portion after a long period, not even one we used to say Samudragupta, and Samudragupta is known as, I said, the Napoleon of India. He has not been able to also create such a long power as much Alauddin Khilji has done. Understood it? Alauddin Khilji के बाद एक आप देखेंगे थोड़ा बहुत औरंगजेब. Understood it? So these are the three important rulers who can be able to do them. That I said, Yadavas of Devgiri, Hoysala of Dwar Samudra, Kakatiyas. सोचो इसके पास कितना wealth आ गया. सभी जगह से ये tax लेगा. Is it clear? So lots of wealth. So he has been able to. This is Malik Kafur. तो और उसने किया क्या ध्यान से. अब this is clear. This story about this clear है ना? पहला मैंने क्या कहा? Yes. after killing his uncle Jalaluddin Khilji, he became the powerful and what attacked Gujarat, and then Waghela king Rai Kamdev was defeated, and then Kamala Devi say he got married, and thereafter another it is a eunuch. What is the name of eunuch? Malik Kafur, and he purchased him on what? Hazar dinari. It is known as Hazar dinari. And thereafter I said that then he attacked 3 regions, and it is the Ranthambore, Chittor and Malwa, but the Chittor is famous because I said that Rana Ratan Singh, Waghela king Rana Ratan Singh, he was, I said that defeated, and on the basis of defeat of this Mewar region, she did what? Along with the several women, Johar. The Johar, it is in the first time we can be able to see it, the major important, it is Rana Ratan Singh during the Khilji period. Yes or not? And then last year movie aaya tha, last year? I don't know. I said, and thereafter we have been able to see, like I said that, when he is not able to get the Rani Padmini, and then he made the name of this Chittorgarh on the basis of his name, Khijr Khan Khijrabad. Thereafter we have been able to see, I said that Malik Kafur become important. Yes or not? And Malik Kafur has been raised his power, and then that is in Yadwas of Devgiri, Hoshala of Dwar Samudra, and then Kakatiyas of Warangal and Pandyas of Madurai even reached Rameshwaram. Lots of wealth. Yes or not? And Malik Kafur बहुत powerful हो गया. He became much powerful. Now, if I say that the next point, what he has done in the, I said, administration. What he has done in the administration. In the administration, he has done the Chehra, and I said that means I said that details of चेहरा किसका, ह्यूमन बीइंग का ही तो रहेगा. Details of soldiers, and all for the first time soldiers are paid soldiers, salaried. नहीं तो लोग क्या करते थे, soldiers को land दे दिया, ये दे दिया. That is there. They are the, I said that paid. Details of soldiers, and they are what? Soldiers. And Dag means details of horse. और सारे हॉर्स पता है, तुर्किश से सारे आ रहे थे. डिटेल्स ऑफ हॉर्स. इज इट ओके? तो दिस सिस्टम ही हैज बीन, आई सेड दैट, यूटिलाइज्ड. और ऑलरेडी इसने, आपको पता होगा कि इसने जलालुद्दीन खिलजी को मारा तो कई लोगों को दबाया भी होगा. Yes or not? If somebody is killing and coming into the power, it means, I said that कहीं पे खिलाना कि कहीं खत्म करना लोगों को. Then he did. इसने क्या किया, जैसे आपने देखा था बलबन को. डू यू रिमेंबर बलबन? बलबन वो भी ऐसे ही मार कर आया था. और he has established, I said that, a strong judicial system. Perhaps you remember? So he also did, I said that a strong judicial system. और साथ में यदि बहुत लोगों को मार कर आया है तो if it is, I said that, can I say that strong spy system, is espionage system, strong. याद रखिएगा जो मैं बोल रहा हूं. I said that because I said that to Balban, and which one I said that? Khilji. Strong, what I said that? Judicial and espionage. Or even he was, I said that anybody, if anybody is doing, I said that, meeting नहीं, वो तो है, who is doing cheating and underweightment. आज के इंडिया में तो ऐसा ही है. 1 किलो की जगह 900 ग्राम्स. वेट का किसका पता है? आप लोग देखते हो जो खरीद के लाते हो, वो 950 ग्राम्स का होता है कि 1 kg का होता है. So there is no as such fixed. We are purchasing and whatever they are giving. Only we are seeing one is written or not. So we are watching only this much, one is written or not. So I said that there is a strong punishment for cheating and underweightment. Strong, I said, punishment. दिख रहा है इस सिस्टम को बहुत अच्छा बना रहा है. He is creating the good system. And बलबन में ने भी एक सिस्टम अच्छा बना कर गया था. Perhaps you remember दीवाने विजारत and I said दीवाने अर्ज. तो ये सब पढ़ना है कि हाउ डू द दिल्ली सल्तनत हैज हेल्प गिवन अस एज द बेटर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम. अंडरस्टूड इट? I said strong punishments for what I said that cheating and underweighment. Yes sir. The strong judicial system, strong espionage and then punishment for cheating and आज के डेट में दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट एंड एवरी गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग दैट डू नॉट ड्रिंक लिकर, डू नॉट स्मोक. यस आर नॉट? डू नॉट बैन नहीं किया, उसने बैन कर दिया. यस आर नॉट? यहां पे तो बैन नहीं कर रहे हैं, बोले कि मेरा टैक्स कहां से आएगा, जिसको पीना है पिए. और मैं अपनी तरफ से गुड, आई सेड दैट मोरल एथिक्स, एथिकल वैल्यूज के बेसिस पर आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट द गुड थिंग्स इन द सोसाइटी. अरे बंद कर दो ना, बिहार में किया गया था ना वंस. सो आई सेड दैट प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ लिकर, प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ लिकर. एंड ये बहुत डरा हुआ बंदा भी था अंदर से, और जो ऐसे सिचुएशंस आए तो यही तो हो रहा है. डरने की वजह से क्या किया? जुडिशियल स्ट्रॉन्ग इंस्टॉल एस्पियोनेज सिस्टम, पनिशमेंट. जब कोई चीज ऐसे, if something is evolving like this, na, that there will be something more strong in nature. Yes or not? Those who are coming with the different nature, it is never be such a strong one. The prohibition of, I said that liquor also done, और साथ में no marriage between nobles families. और इनके कोई, इनके बीच में आपस में कोई ऐसा भी नहीं होगा कि फेस्टिवल हो और आप दे आर कमिंग. I said that community getting together. Yes or not? So I said that no marriage between, first it is nobles. नहीं तो they will become strong and then sometimes conspiracy. That's good. And then finished. So this is, I said that he did something in the, I said that what? Administration. लेकिन पैसा होगा तभी तो करेंगे. Yes or not? Therefore he is able to do. Yes. So Chehra and Dag, do you understand that? Paid soldiers and strong soldier, judicial espionage, punishment, and then prohibition of what he did? Liquor and no marriage between the nobles and all. Yes sir? कोई सोशल गैदरिंग अलाउ नहीं करता था इनका. सोचो कैसे रहते होंगे इसके साथ. नो सोशल गैदरिंग ऑफ व्हाट, वुमेन बिंग नहीं, नोबल्स का. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ इफ आई सेड दैट agriculture and he did measurement of land, measurement of land, और measurement of land को देखा जाए, I said that he did Biswa. What is the measurement of land? So he has given the term Biswa. Have you heard about? Yes. सुने हैं आप लोग विश्वा? सुने हो all of you? What is in the Andhra, क्या होता है आंध्रा एंड तमिलनाडु में? What is the measurement of the land, a small piece of the land for the agriculture? हाँ? सेंट, एकड़. अच्छा, एकड़ इस इंग्लिश के फॉर्म में चलता है. चलो, ये है. आज भी यहाँ पर आप नॉर्थ में देखोगे तो इट विल रनिंग बिस्वा. द होल नॉर्थ इट इज रनिंग. तो 20 बिस्सा का क्या होता है? 1 बीघा. Still it is running the same way. I said that Biswa, and they are taking half of the produce per Biswa. So revenue was, I said that what? If I am talking about revenue in the agriculture system, half of the produce of per Biswa. And thereafter the two things also come. It is, I said that Ghari and Chari. Ghari and Ghari means house. Ghar means what? House. The tax on the house tax. And Chari means in the grazing. Yes or no? Tax on pasture. Chari means. So it is in a Ghari means, I said that tax on house, and then I said that Chari means tax on pasture. ये इतना सारा सिस्टम क्यों तैयार कर पा रहा है? यू नो दैट अर्थशास्त्र में कौटिल्य हैज सेड दैट सिस्टम कैन रन बेटर व्हेन द फाइनेंस इज स्ट्रांग. यस और नॉट? फाइनेंस इज एंड देन टैक्स ऑन हाउस, घरी, टैक्स ऑन पैस्चर. कौन कर रहा है? खाली बंदा खिलजी. कैन यू रिमेंबर? खिलजी में आपको सबसे बड़ा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्ट्रक्चर तैयार होते हुए नजर आएगा. उसके बाद यू विल बी एबल टू सी इन द मुगल्स. अंडरस्टूड? और एक थोड़ा सा आपको देखेंगे सिकंदर लोदी जो है वहां पे एक उनकी मेजरमेंट दी गई थी, सिकंदर गाजी. अंडरस्टूड? लैंड को कैसे मेजर किया जाए. अदरवाइज देर इज नो टू मच डेवलपमेंट इन दिस. टैक्स ऑन हाउस, इज इट क्लियर? एग्रीकल्चरल में द रेवेन्यू रिफॉर्म. And another it is coming, I said that, shall I remove? Architecture. In the architecture, if I say that, if you'll come to Delhi, where is the IIT? What is the place name of IIT Delhi? So who has made this? Alauddin Khilji. And it is nearby Qutub Minar. The Hajj Khas was made by who? Hajj Khas. इसका मतलब ये मत समझना ये कौन सा खास है. Hajj means I said that big tank. Water conservation. Understood? It is for what? Water conservation. And nearby Qutub Minar. I said that. It is for what I said? And it is, I said that Qutub Minar के पास है, नियर बाई. इज इट ओके? थोड़ा सा आगे चले जाएंगे, आप कुतुब मीनार देख लेंगे, जेएनयू वगैरह, आईआईटी दिल्ली के पास. आई सेड हौज खास. इज इट क्लियर? खिलजी, खाली बंदा. एंड आई सेड दैट महल हजार सैलून. व्हाट ही हैज मेड? महल हजार सैलून. महल हजार सैलून. इज इट ओके? एंड देन जमायते खाना mosque. Which one? जमायते खाना mosque. And then हमने क्या बोला? Just tell me. This Hajj Khas is why I said that. Nearby. और किसकी बात बोल रहे हैं हम लोग? अलाउद्दीन. Yes or not? And then कुतुब मीनार के पास he has made अलाई दरवाजा. कल भी बताया था मैंने. अलाई, that the big gate. Kutubuddin Aibak has made the nearby that I said that Qutub Minar, he has started and Quwwatul Islam mosque. लेकिन वहां पर Quwwatul Islam mosque में जाने के लिए which gate? Who has made? Alauddin Khilji. Alai Darwaja. And it is considered as a gem of, I said that, Indo-Islamic architecture. आपको याद है उड़ीसा का मुक्तेश्वर? It is also gem of what? Orisian art and temple architecture. Yes. अलाई दरवाजा. आपको याद है कुतिया बीमार थी? चलो याद है, 2.5 दिन के लिए जहां पे भी थी. तो अल्लाह ने कुतिया बीमार को अच्छे से देखभाल किया, खास बन गई वो उसकी. हौज खास बन गई. अल्लाह समझते हैं ना, अल्लाह. कुतिया जो बीमार थी उसका हौज खास में अच्छे से उसको नहलाया वलाया. यस, टेकन बाथ. उसके बाद दे हैव टेकन इनटू स्पेशल सलून. हजार सलून. सलून मीन्स यस. एंड उसके बाद जब